Hello, and today I'm going to talk about creating a new translation memory in the Japanese translation software tool. Now, you might wonder, why can we even create more than one translation memory? Why doesn't this all just go into one big translation memory? And that's a good question, considering that effectively that is the way that the translation memories are currently treated. However, it is not that far-fetched to conceive of a situation in which all of the translation memories that are entered in here, perhaps not just by me but by others as well, are tagged with tags that relate to the type of content that is in that translation memory. So, perhaps these tags could be anything in terms of the genres that they're dealing with. Perhaps you're translating a script that is from a game, and it is it's horror themed, and it involves science fiction elements. Or perhaps you have a translation memory that is strictly for onomatopoeia. These various things could be tagged in such a way that if you're working on a particular project, you could highlight all of the tags that relate to your project, and then any translation memories that include those tags could conceivably be treated with more authority than the other ones that do not include tags that relate to the actual project that you're working on at the current time. This is not something that is implemented, but this is not something that is very far-fetched at all. So I'd like people to keep that in mind, or I keep that in mind myself, when adding new translation memories, which is one of the reasons why I have a significant amount of translation memories. Currently I'm splitting things out by project, and then I also do have some things that are specific to the type, such as numbers, onomatopoeia, particles, punctuation, things like that, times, etc. So let's go ahead and make our new translation memory. We're going to go ahead and enter some text in here from conceivably a new project that we're going to be working on. So we've gotten translation here, and we see there's some things in here that could definitely be added to the translation memory. Being a new project, we're going to start off with Kurumi, which I certainly hope is a name. Let's go to new translation memory, and this is going to be Infinity on the PSX. Go ahead and put that in there. I'm going to talk about entering your your translations in a different video, but here we have, we want to make sure there's a space in between the Japanese phrase and our translation. We're also going to use forward slashes. This is going to be ku ru mi. Submit. Our Japanese dictionary has been created. Excellent. Let's go back here, copy paste our text, and this time we can go to options and we can choose Infinity on the PSX. Now actually I had created this previously, so there are two entries for that, so that's a little confusing, but I will remove that other one. And there we have it. So this is now our default translation memory. Anything that we add in here is going to go right into Infinity on the PlayStation. So let's go ahead and we'll add in say no. Ready, go. Okay, so there we have it, our new translation memory.